What is a cover call and how to purchase it with etrade? I'm going to show you exactly that in this video. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned in to the Investor Show as always. This is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. What is a cover call? A cover call is, or a buy right, some people like to call it, is when you buy a stock, but you also sell a call along with it. So essentially what you're going to do is, let's say you're going to buy Delta, you have to buy 100 shares, right? Because one contract equals 100 shares. So you buy 100 shares at least per contract of Delta, and then you're going to sell a call. Now, why do people do this? Let's say if Delta doesn't go up in price. So if you have a stock that's not moving that you own and you want to be able to make money through your portfolio, this is what people use to make money on a stock that is moving sideways. Now, the first thing is, let's walk through it here, and I'm going to show you guys and girls exactly what it is. So for prime example, you're going to go to trading. You're going to go to options. And once you get to trading, you go to options. You type in the stock symbol. So here I have Delta. Next, you're going to go to cover call, buy rights. Once you have that, it's going to say you're going to buy 100 shares, because you at least have to buy 100 shares. You're going to buy 100 shares, and then you're going to sell one contract, because one contract is 100 shares. For April 17th, strike price $25. It's a call type. This is giving me the ask and bid price, so it's going for about 160 bucks. So what's going to happen is, I'm going to sell this call. I'm going to take on the premium, meaning I'm going to take on 160 bucks. Now, all this means is, if Delta stays up under $25 until April 17th, I get to keep my stock and I get to keep the premium that I sell it for, right? Now, that's the good side. That's a good thing. Now, the downside, because I just made $160 off of stocks that I already own. So now the downside is, let's say if Delta shoots up to $30 next week or whatever, I have to sell my stock for $25, right? I still get to keep the premium, but I have to sell my stock for $25, which is not a bad deal, because if I do this today, that means I'm going to buy 100 shares of Delta for $24.39. I'm selling the option at a $25 strike price. Now you could change the strike price however you want to do it. And I'm going to collect the premium. I mean, I'm going to sell this to somebody. I'm going to take on the money today. If Delta doesn't cross over $25 by April 17th, I get to keep the premium and my stock. But if Delta goes over $25, I have to sell my stock for $25, which is not a bad deal. I make a little profit. I get to sell my stock for $25, but I also get to keep the premium that I collected as well. So this is considered a covered call. In the options world, the people who sell contracts are the ones who usually win. So here you have it here, buy. You got the option on there. What price type you want to do? The price type is market. A net credit is when you want money to come into the account. Net debit is when you want money to go out of the account, right? If you want to get more into it, you can look here too as well. And you're going to put it for the day. It has an estimated commission. This is how much this is going to cost me, $2,880, because I got to buy 100 shares of Delta. So, and you're going to hit preview, place order. So that's what a cover call is, and that's how to purchase it with etrade. I hope that helped you guys and girls out. Drop some comments until the next video, podcast, a cartoon, or whatever else you see me do crazy around the globe. Peace, be safe. I'm out. Thank you.